You want me to blow a fork and gasket right now? Should I melt this place down right now?
Sean Taylor's conspiracy theorist friends are furious.
Your assistant chiefs who are doing the work they're hired to do to stop the crime and corruption.
And they're promising revenge.
We're highlighting these people now. We're highlighting them by name, by photograph. We're showing them.
We're going to light them up.
Their targets anyone involved in the TBI raid of the Millersville Police Department, and especially those who searched the assistant police chief's residence. The TBI investigation focuses on Taylor's potential illegal use of sensitive law enforcement data to pursue investigations of his political enemies, as well as potential perjury relating to a botched child predator sting run by Millersville police with the aid of some of his conspiracy theory friends.
Here they are. They're stupid, too. That's why Q said these people are stupid.
Following the raids, Taylor turned to some of his podcast buddies. Scott McKay is part of the widely discredited QAnon conspiracy movement. McKay believes millions of Americans already live on Mars.
Mars has been colonized since after World War II.
He has defended Adolf Hitler.
Learned about Hitler was actually fighting the same people that we're trying to take down today.
And he threatened to put bullets into healthcare workers involved in the response to the COVID-19 pandemic.
This is war. It's going to get bloody, and I'm going to get ugly too.
In the case of the raid on Sean Taylor's house, McKay has his sights set on the people who authorized the search.
I want to identify two of these characters right now that are part of all of this.
Here, Sean Taylor, a sworn law enforcement officer, helps McKay identify the judge for his audience.
Is that Judge Joe Thompson right there?
It is.
There you go, folks. This is what they look like. And I'm going to leave it at that.
Then there's the district attorney.
Is that your man right there, Ray Whitley?
And that would be him.
You see what they look like, folks? These are the people that are pulling this bullshit.
Their pictures are up there. People know who they are. And if anyone wishes to retaliate, it makes them a much easier target.
Former Tennessee Supreme Court Justice William Koch, now the dean for the Nashville School of Law, says there have always been characters who think they can defend themselves by attacking the system.
It's nothing new. It's just that it's now on steroids because of social media.
What are your concerns about the impact upon the judiciary?
My first concern is security.
That curtain's been pulled back, and now we are absolutely ready to go after these individuals.
Also coming to Taylor's defense, Arizona election denier Mark Fincham, who revealed that Taylor has been working with him and his group for years. Fincham accused Judge Thompson of being involved in the vast international conspiracy that Taylor imagines he has uncovered.
When you have a judge who signs a search warrant after, and there's a whole set of circumstances behind that, in order to seize records of an investigation where he is actually a target, not only is that unethical, that's criminal.
Damn right it is.
But judges, like any other elected official, live in glass houses. While we are concerned about our reputations, we go about our daily business doing the job as best we can.
Dean Koch says such accusations are not unprecedented for those who serve as judges. What is different is the tone.
It's see something, beat the out of them on Patriot Street Fighter. That's how we do it here. And for me,
I can't advocate violence, okay?
No, I mean beat the out of them verbally here.
Oh, verbally. Okay. Have at it, man.
The podcaster in this case says he's a pacifist. He's not advocating violence.
Well, listen to my words. And not advocating violence is fine, but when you use violent rhetoric not to advocate violence, many people are not going to pick up on the subtleties of that.
We're going to beat the shit out of their character. We're going to beat the shit out of their veil that they hide behind. We're putting an end to this.
But these sort of broad brush strokes also have a tendency to undermine the public's trust and confidence in our judicial system.
This former judge says he also fears that the conspiracy theories being pushed by Sean Taylor and his friends will cause people to lose faith in a system that actually works well.
So this kind of inflammatory rhetoric, especially when there's no proof of any of the allegations are being made, can have a tendency to begin to erode the public trust in a system that they should trust.